Welcome everybody, got myself a new lure to try out. It's from the Googan squad. It's called the Revolver. It's a whopper plopper style bait. I've already debarbed it, as you can see. Got it connected on a metal leader. I'm gonna do one fast round of my local pond today, see if we get any interest in it, make a video, and all I'm doing is one quick round. So we're gonna get right to it, guys. And we'll see what kind of interest the pike have in this Googan Squad Revolver. Now remember, this lure is made for bass, not pike, but they should still be pretty interested. So we'll do just a couple casts off this spot, and I'll just keep changing spots. Like I said, we'll look at doing one full rotation around the lake and see if we can entice any bites. Now the color is called Shattered Shad. It's got a blue line, a chartreuse or yellow line, and then it's got the white with all the cracking in it and stuff. So on a sunny day like today, this lure could do quite well. I love the way it makes noise coming back. Lots of action on the water. Try one more cast here, and then I'll move to my next spot. Because if there are any pike in the area, they are noticing this Revolver whopper plopper style lure. I mean, they can hear it definitely. We'll try that spot again. All right. Next cast. Yeah, I'm down maybe 50 feet of my 20-pound fluorocarbon. And I guess I'm just gonna have to hook up some braid. Just gonna scooch over a few feet, guys. Being I am down to the 50 feet, I can only range so far per cast for my fan. So we'll just keep moving a little bit. Get a couple casts from here. Just gonna do one or two more casts here, guys, and then I'll hustle down to that north end. We'll give it a try down there. Here, fizzy, 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 fizzy. Did you see that? He came right up at my feet. I watched him come up for it. So there you go, they like it. I didn't set hard because he was just a little pike and I wasn't overly certain I wanted to keep him, but he followed it right up. That was pretty cool. Hopefully you guys got to see him come right up on camera because I saw him approaching it. All right, made it to the north end, everybody. Let's just see what kind of action we'll find here. I'll just slowly work myself along this north bank. Ooh, look at that, my first cast, and somebody already tried. He missed it though. So we're gonna try that again, unless he comes right back. But you see that, eh guys? First cast. Pike love this Revolver. With luck, we'll land one or two today, instead of missing my hook set or just not hook setting hard enough. This one, he just missed it completely. Moved about 10 feet down, about 20 feet down the bank, guys. Gives us some slightly fresh water to work with. Basically just going to do a couple fan casts in each direction from each spot here, and then I'll move on to the next spot. More straight out, and then we'll do one more to the other side. That cast does not count because for some reason it wasn't spinning. Like maybe it was hooked up on its own hooks, you know what I mean? So we'll just do that one again. There, now she's whopper plopping. Now she's whopping and a plopping. Ah, oh, again, man. All right, couple feet over. Give him another check out. See what happens, everybody. Then we'll scooch over. Oh, look at that. He took it too, guys. Oh, I just lost my rod there. Oh, he's a goodie. Maybe not a goody, but you know, he's there. Oh, he's not even running away. He's just a little guy. Looks like he's got himself all wrapped up or something. Just a little guy though. I'm still gonna net him though. Just don't want to lose this leader, don't want to lose this lure, right? Because I knew that was gonna happen. All right, unhooked everybody. Get a nice little look at him. He's pretty. Hey, buddy. All right, see you later, little pal. And get this lure untangled from my net. All right, try off this little point. That's another one, guys. That's another one. Now these are really sticky hooks, so as long as he gets the hook in his mouth and I get a decent hook set, if I keep the tension, we should land the fish. It's just another little guy. Just another little guy. All right, that off to the side, safe. How did we get you? One hook in the lip, and that's it, eh? And we'll just keep him suspended in that net for a second while I make this. Just mellow out. About the same size as the other one, guys. Oop, and off. No, don't come back to me. Don't come back to me. Turn around, go away. There you go. See you later, buddy. Get this untangled again. All right, guys. Let's give that pike that was right here a chance. Came into weed bed right there, eh? We'll come out just a little bit farther then with my next cast and see if that makes a difference on the retrieve. I'll do just a couple quick casts from this spot, and then we'll move back over to that Oh, he missed it again. That's twice now he's tried. We'll just do a speed retrieve and do that again. I don't know if he'll try again, but that's twice now he's tried from that spot. We'll just scooch it over a few feet. All right, guys. Well, that was a fun little trip. Like I said, I only did a couple of casts per spot. I was just really curious, wanting to try out that revolver by Googan Squad. It was my first whopper plopper lure ever. Really enjoyed it. The hookup ratio is a little low, but it's typical for top water bites anyway. As you saw, the majority of the pike that actually tried to take the lure missed it completely. But yeah, it was a good time. I really enjoyed that lure, and I think I'm definitely going to be picking up some more in other colors. Just that way I can use it in different conditions on different days, you know, whether it's cloudy or whatever. So like, comment, subscribe, guys, and you can have any ideas, things I could do in a video, let me know in the comment section there, and I will see what I can do. Have a great day, everybody.